Welcome to the Postgraduate Research Training Resources, published by AGILE Research Limited. My name is Sandra Mandic, and I'm the author of these videos and the Postgraduate books for beginners and postgraduate students. These materials have been designed to help you navigate the research process smoothly and successfully complete your research project. Buckle up and enjoy the learning journey. This short video provides recommendations for writing research results. You have collected your research data and analyzed them. Now is the time to showcase your findings. Prepare your results section to tell a story of your research findings. In the results section, study findings are usually presented using a combination of text, tables, and figures or graphs. Presentation of results vary across disciplines and by research methodology. To get a sense of how results are presented in your scientific discipline or field, have a close look at the results section of the scientific articles or reports that you're reading. Let's have a look at an example of a table. In this example, survey data are presented for 3 groups of study participants. Research variables, survey items in this case, are presented in rows. For table with a large number of variables, subheadings could be used within the table to indicate groupings of variables. In this table, study groups are presented in columns. Indicate number of participants in each study group within a table. If necessary, provide a brief definition of study groups under the table as shown in this example. Present your results within the table and, if applicable, present the results of statistical analysis. If necessary, provide additional information related to data analysis under the table, such as letters or symbols used to indicate statistically significant differences between the groups, as shown in this example. Number tables consecutively throughout your research report. The results section of your research report offers an opportunity to be creative, especially when designing figures to showcase your research findings. Now, let's have a look at an example of a figure or a graph. In this example, a bar graph presents results for 4 survey questions across 3 different groups of study participants. This figure also indicates results of statistical analysis of comparisons between the groups. When designing graphs, provide description of variables presented on x-axis and y-axis, and include measurement units if applicable. Spell out all abbreviations on the figure or in the notes included below the figure or below the figure title. Use figures to emphasize key findings of your research. To make your research report more engaging and interesting for your readers, you may want to consider turning some of your tables into figures as shown in this example. You could also take on a challenge and create a visual summary of your research findings. You could use such a figure or a diagram in your research report and future presentations. More information and examples of figures and visual summaries of research findings are available in the Compass Guide books for beginners and postgraduate students. Here are some tips for reporting research results. Since the results section tells the story of your research findings, presented results should be directly related to your research question. Present your results clearly and organize them in a logical order. Consider using subheadings if necessary. Engage your readers by presenting your results using a combination of text, tables, and figures. Summarize main findings in text and refer the reader to appropriate tables or figures for details. Use figures to emphasize key findings whenever possible. Figures can also be used to present complex information such as summary of research results. Tables and figures should be easily understood. Large tables containing lots of data may be difficult for reader to follow and interpret. Use the past tense when reporting results in your research project. Results section should just present results without discussing them. And finally, get your creativity juices flowing, and have fun. For more guidance, refer to the Compass Guide Research Training books for beginners and postgraduate students. Both books are available for purchase on AGILE Research website. If you found this video helpful, please like it and share it with others. Check also my other videos on YouTube channel Compass Guide Research Training and sign up for AGILE Research newsletter to receive our updates. Happy learning!